Alright, this quick video is going to show you how to use the time tracking and time clock system. Now they are two separate systems. One is just the time card system. This is the system where when your employees come to work they clock in, when they leave they clock out. Just based on the old you're here, you're getting paid method. So this is one way to clock in and out. That's for the payroll type things. And then on a separate, unrelated, disconnected system by design is the time tracking system. This is the system where your employees will actually log labor processes to orders for job costing purposes. It's pretty simple to use. If I'm this guy, I can just open this up. This is our recent activity. I can just click on myself. It's going to automatically guess all that it can and try to figure out what I'm doing. I can just change whatever is relevant, and let me show you a little bit here. As I type, it's going to try and figure out what job I'm going for. Don't ever just leave right in the middle of typing. You need to actually click to fill out the full string. The system needs the full amount of information to be able to do this. So now that I have my information in, and by the way, it can be just as quick as this. Just a couple clicks, clock in, clock out. So now my time starts ticking for that job. Now when I'm done with a job, I can actually just clock out, which means I'm still going to be working on this. So say I'm in the middle of doing panel machine for this order and I want to go to lunch. I'll just go ahead and clock out. When I come back, I clock back into it and I pick up where I started. Say I am done with panel machining for this job, then I would come and I'd click done, and that's actually going to that's actually going to update the status for this job and clear it out. So now the system knows that panel machine is actually done, and it's going to update it for that order. Another way you could have done this is a slightly less precise way. Is you could have just clicked on this guy and manually put in 2 hours. And that way you don't have to clock in and clock out. It's just preference and how precise you want to be.